So what I want to focus on with this trade is how I don't have it shown on this screen, but we will see it later. The draw on liquidity was higher. It was to the upside. We just come down to a discount on the higher time frame, cleared out some liquidity, made some moves up. And I want to talk about this right here. This low is lower than that low. That's divergence inside of a 20-30 level with a fair value gap afterwards. This low should be trusted because of the divergence. We can enter on the order block here, which is also just inside of this 20-30 level. And as you can see, price is starting to come back down. Put a buy order right here, just above the bullish order block, which is the open, or essentially the open of these two candles. They're pretty relevant.
Order filled. Order filled.
Now, we should see a strong reaction up as long as that is a valid trade. And if we get that, it'd be nice to see another fair value gap created, respect of the most recent order block, which is this one here, or these two. And divergence is always nice to see too. So lower low, you don't get the lower low here. I'll take that away though. Same guy. Notice the ES on the bottom does not create a lower low at the same time as NQ is creating a lower low inside of this bullish order block after the 20-30 level, and we see the fair value gap created. That's how you know that's a buy. And now it's going to create some divergence between the two on the highs, but that's not the divergence we are looking for. As long as NQ and ES, as long as they continue to respect bullish PD arrays, so discount arrays.
Order filled.
Okay, so there's a partials out on that one. But now notice the big divergence where a lot of people will be like, okay, we're just going to hop in there and we're just going to sell this. Right? Because ES is showing divergence. But as long as NQ continues to respect discount arrays and ES respect discount arrays, we're good. I believe we're going for that high. What would be even better is if we saw divergence on the lows. So when we move our fib up to our next high, whatever, well, you don't really need the fib, but it just gives you a visual representation. But as long as we respect a discount array, and if we show divergence when we do it, that just strengthens the idea. Inside that current 20-30, but I'm okay with price pulling back to a discount. And that's also going to convince people that the divergence on the highs is set when it's not. There we go. Price comes up here, makes a new high, creates divergence, and then drops. That could be a good entry position, but we're looking for longs. Drops again. Goes up, creates another high, is coming back down into the 23rd level again. Breaks down, almost gets to the 50. Breaks down again. So, look at this yellow line. It's the same as this one. While price does barely go below this low, so you could say it didn't create divergence, when ES does go below this yellow line and Q does not go below its yellow line, which is its correlated low, look, doesn't do it. So if now that's divergence. So now if we see a strong reaction up, we could look at this as like a bullish order block. If we see a fair value gap, we can trade that. That could be a bullish order block here. And now this is the divergence at the lows that we were wanting to see, before the push up.
Order filled.
I don't know why I said it the first time. That was weird. So, buying on that order block. That's creating divergence here. So essentially the last push down that created divergence. So here's this last push down. Now we just want to see it respect that and head up for new highs and respect discount arrays. Bullish order block. It's close to creating divergence here too. It does create divergence there. It goes below this low, and I don't think it goes below this low here. Yeah, it does not. So that's divergence. So now that all could look like an order block, and could buy into that.
Order filled.
We should be able to trust this low. Definitely should be able to trust this low because that's where the original divergence took place that gave us the idea for buying into this. Oh, 1 minute chart. Again, this all could have been seen as a bullish order block. With feeling fairly confident that we can trust this
Order
low.
filled.
I don't know why I keep saying that. Huh. And we can trust this low. Divergence here. Bullish order block. Doesn't even reach the bullish order block here. Respecting this order block.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Both orders filled fairly quickly. I have one left on, but we end up taking it off down here, not letting it ride out when it did just continue to go up and up and up and up and up and up, and it would have hit the target that we set, but it's okay. There it is. And I actually wanted to take out there because I wanted to say 555, and I got it.
Order filled.
So there we go. This trade was based on and I want to get to the point where I can do a full pull where enter two contracts here, hang tight for the whole majority of the move. Okay, that's where I was setting my above that high. 714. So if we could do a full pull like that, that's going to be ideal. But what I'm thinking is 2 or 3 contracts, buy 1, buy 2, buy 3. Partials 1, pay for the trade, and if it does turn back around, partials 2 will be the first target, and then partials 3 will be the long-term target. So we'll see.